Hello, welcome to Commsverse. This session is called Yealink Teams Devices Demonstration, and today we're presented by Carl Leo. Over to you, Carl.
Hello. Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining Yealink session today. Today's session, the topic is about our Yealink device management platform portal. I think most of our customers, when they deploy the device, management device, they have some pain point, how to diagnose, how to upgrade the firmware on the device, just like this. And today I will show you how easy it is to use Yealink device management portal to solve this problem. So this is today's agenda. The first one, I will take around 5 minutes to quite overviews about our portal, and then secondly, I will just take around half an hour to do a lab demo, and finally 10 minutes for you to Q&A. Okay, let's go to the first part. Okay, so regarding the Yealink device management portal, so as you can see, we have two versions. One is the on-premise, another is the cloud-based. Why Yealink still have an on-premise version for customer? Because due to some government or some lawyer, they have some security concern. They want to maintain the data by themselves, so we still have an on-premise server for customer to choose. But most of our customer will choose the cloud-based, and you can see. All Yealink Teams device, include the Teams data phone, Teams meeting room device, and also the USB device, all can climb to our portal and management by our portal. And our portal have some main feature, just like the monitor and alarm. I can give you an example, just like the wireless microphone. Because Yealink the wireless microphone, you have to power the wireless microphone. Use the wireless microphone without the low battery. Our portal will monitor and alarm to the IT guy, so the IT guy know this meeting room, the wireless microphone is with low battery. We have to power charge the wireless microphone. And second main feature is update. Update some, you can just push the firmware update to the device or make some setting change and just push the change to the firmware. And sure is a remote diagnosis. Because from Yealink device management portal, customer can easily to do some remote diagnosis, just like reboot, reset the device, and also our portal will share the device log for 7 days. So easy for IT guy to do some troubleshooting. Finally, is open API, because most of the enterprise customer, they already have some management portal or tool. So we have open API for customer to make some integration. Okay. Yeah, this is what I say some main feature of the portal. The first one is the portal for customer to overview about all information on the portal. So you can see the status of the Teams device. And second is monitor and alarm. I will introduce more detail in the lab demo. Yeah, remote control. You can remote reboot, reset the camera on or other M-Share, M-Touch, just like this. And finally is the open API. Okay, so I think we can move to the live demo. Today I will use our cloud-based device management platform portal to do a demo, but for our on-premise version, the feature is the same. The difference just one is on-premise, another one is cloud-based. Okay, so this is our cloud-based DM server. I just need to enter the account and password and log in. Okay, so let's see. So firstly is the homepage. On the homepage, you can preview some basic information, just like size, account, how many sites you already create under this portal, how many account is already modified on this portal, how many devices already climbed to this portal. And let's go to the first feature. The first feature is device management. For the device management, you can see the silver device is a Teams phone. The USB device, just like USB camera, USB headset. The room system is the MBC series, MBC 500 and MBC 900. And this is the firmware management. Firmware management is available for customer to upload some firmware file, just like this. It's a firmware file or the CP960. Easy for customer to push the firmware update to all the CP960. Finally, is the resource management. Resource management is that you can just add resource just like some language pack, image on host or license or directory file. Okay, let's see the zip device firstly. Here you can see all the device climb to this portal. So you can see the status, the accounts, the T55, CP960, both devices already have a Teams account registered on both devices. And also can see the model, the IP address, and the firmware of this device. And you also can see more detailed information, everything. Just like the license, or the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or the IPv4 or IPv6. And here you also can just change, because we have a site management. You can choose the device related to each site. And here is the diagnostics option for customer to update to the diagnostics web page. So this is device diagnostics. So you can see it's easily to one click to export the device log from here, and also the package and also the network detective, and also have some CPU memory status. Yeah, just like this. And also screen cache and export some recording file. And here you can see the portal will share the device log for 7 days. So just it's easy for IT guys to do some troubleshooting. I can give you an example. Maybe one day the customer have a meeting on the meeting room with the MVC 500, but they face an issue. They just need to tell the IT guy what happened and what happened, and the IT guy go to this portal, just export the log and just check the time scale, and they can just look to do some troubleshooting and solve this issue. And this is a USB device. Today, I'm not climb any USB device to this portal. But all Yealink USB device like UH36, the HP900, CP700, all full compatible with our portal. And this about the room system. You can see right now I have a two device, 500 and 900 climb to this portal. You also can see the detailed information of these two devices from this portal. The same, you can do some diagnostics here. You can just one click to export the system log or the MVC 500. And this firmware, let me show you how easy to push firmware update to the CP960. I already upload one CP960 firmware file here, and I just need to push. They have a push firmware button. I choose the push firmware button, and I choose CP900, and then I just push update. And you will let me choose the push update at once, or I can choose the timing to push the update, or I can choose the daily or weekly. I can choose just like maybe tomorrow, the same time tomorrow, and I say okay. Okay, let me try to update. Yeah. So the IT guy can use this feature to push firmware update in the midnight. So the customer just go out of office, and second day when they come to the office, the device with the latest firmware, they don't need to update the menu. And second is about the account management. Right now, for the account management, only support for the Skype for Business phone. So you can just need to a Skype for Business account here, and you can align this account to any Skype for Business device. So when the device power up and climb to this portal, our portal will push the account information to this Skype for Business device automatically, and the Skype for Business this Skype for Business account will register automatically on the Skype for Business device. Right now, it's only support for Skype for Business, because for Teams, the Microsoft still not open the open the API account relative account API for Yealink to deliver this kind of the feature. But maybe in the future, it should be support. And this is the order. It's order management. It's like this because for order, it's like right now Yealink can offer 3-year free license for customer. It's up to the 1,000 units, but customer maybe they need to management 2,000, 3,000 units, so they have to order and pay some cost. So you will see the order here. And then let's go to the device configuration. For the device configuration, they have a model and site, group, mark, and globe. I will introduce one by one. The first is a model, so you can create different setting file for different model. Here is a T55, so UI change any setting here. Change any setting here. Just I can choose this. Okay, and you will. Okay, so when I change any setting, he will remind us. So I need to update the device configuration right now. I can choose yes. So I can choose T55 and push update right now. Yeah, let's see. So you will push update to the all T55A Teams phone. I can also a temporary for some CP960, T58, T56. Yeah. And second is about the site configuration. Maybe I should introduce site management first, because that is for global. For some of the global company, they have a different site in different city, different office in different cities. So you can create different site for different city, different site. Easy for IT guy to management. Here, you can create. You can see the US. I can create a network. This side is only related to for the New York's office. So for the site, it's the same for it's the same for the model configuration. I can create a configuration file and also make some change, and I can just push the update. Okay, let me choose. I can push the update right now. Okay, let me choose. I can choose the UK, the London, the King Cross office, and I choose test. And you have made any change? I mean, you are just like this. So the update will push the update to the all device in the King Cross office. And this is the group. For the group, it's for some. Let me show you. For group, you can try to select different device to one group. Maybe one device in the London, one device in the Manchester. These two devices to add a new group. And then I can choose what setting will be made change to this device. Just update. Yeah, let's see. And this is for the mark configuration. For the mark configuration, it's to the one unit device. For the global, just some kind of the setting for the all device, just maybe some just like device imagery or the NTP, just like this. Okay, so let's go to the text management. For the text management, you can just add any text here. I need to choose the device, which device I need to push update. And I can choose here, maybe just time. So I can choose is the update, the setting, the send the message, or the update the resource file, update the firmware, reboot or reset to factory or DND. And yeah, and I can choose is the daily or weekly or monthly or one time. and just, yeah, and you can see the test status here is pending. This one is a firmware update to the CP960. It's pending. It will be active tomorrow. And here you can see the text, what text is already done, and the status of the test. And this is about the alarm. For the alarm, for Yealink portal, he will monitor the all device the 24 hours. If there's any problems, he will just send information to the IT guy, or you also have a some reminder, the system alarm reminder here. You can check here. So this alarm, this you can see. We can just take one. You can see all the alarm this here. And this you can, and under this option you can choose. You can add different alarm to different guy. You can just send email to the IT guy, to the IT management or other people. And this in station is this is information you only can check here on the portal, or when sends any email address. Don't send any email to the management. Let's see. I can choose to, and it's a date. You can choose real time or daily or weekly. Yeah, I can choose. And you can choose what kind of alarm should be sent to my email box. I can choose and choose. And you can see the all device or the site or group. I can choose one site. Okay. I only want to know the alarm about the New York. Yeah, that's it. This is about our device diagnosis. For the device diagnosis, the customer have, you can just enter the MAC address or IP or the device ID here to start diagnosis. And the second option, you can just go to the device list and choose the device you want to do diagnosis, access to the diagnosis web page. And this is the overview information on this portal. So you can see 2 accounts, 6 devices is already climbed on this portal. And you also will monitor the audio quality. The audio is good or bad. Finally, is about our system management. For our system management, the first one is the log management. For log management, you can see you might do any change on this portal, you will record here. Okay. And another special design on our portal is the load management. For load management, is like this. I can create different load, and the different load, just like, because for the global company, they have different IT management for different country. You can create different load for different IT management for different country. And you need to create different load. I just take a car only for me, and I only want to, you can see the function, which function is active for this account, and this is the data. I only want to see the UK device, and I don't want to see the US device. So I just need to disable the US. And this is a sub account, because for one company, Yealink will only create one administrator account for one company, and under this administrator account, you can create different sub account. It's no limit. You can create, just here, I just create one sub account for myself, and I can choose when you create an account. Let me try. You need to align the load you modified to this account. Finally, is about the API, because for the API, as I say, for the enterprise customer, they normally have some management portal or management tool. So Yealink have open API for customer to do some integration with their current portal, so they don't need to use two portal to management all the device. And customer want to deliver this kind of the integration, the customer just need to go here and download the API file. Slowly work. Anyway, we can check later. So here we can also change some language. Right now it's only support Chinese and English, but in the future we will support more language. And here you can just go to the account setting. You can change some kind of account setting or account code. And this is the feedback. Do you have any question? You can just feedback via our ticket system. Okay, it's finished. Okay, 5. Okay, so this is about our open API. You can check detailed information here and how to activate the API, how to use our API. Okay, so outer left demo our portal. I think you may be asked, how should I add the device to this portal? How should the device connect to this portal? So it's easily. So when you push the device, you will get a machine ID, the MAC address from your reseller. So firstly, you just need before you deploy the device, you need to you need to update the device management here and choose an A device firstly, and just choose this device related to which site. And the model of this device and also MAC address of this device, and let's see, and just say the change, and then you just need to power up the device, connect the device to the internet, and the device will climb to this portal automatically. It will pop up here. Okay, so this is the light demo about cloud-based device management platform portal, but for the on-premise one, the feature is the same. But how to install the on-premise one version, you just need to go to our our website, and under the support, the document and firmware, and the service, you can see this is the cloud-based, this is on-premise one. For the on-premise one, it's free for customer to download the install file, and customer just need to install the file under the Linux system. But before install you have to check the hardware requirement. You just need to download the administrator guide, and here you can check the hardware requirement. Okay. Yeah, here. It's a hardware and software requirement, and also have some port requirement and some browser requirement and support device model here. You can check everything here. Okay, so this is all about the lab demo or the device management platform portal today. So I think we can jump to the Q&A part. So do you have any question? Please feel free to raise your hands and ask me.
Thanks, Carl. Just looking now that there isn't any questions that have come in at the moment. So we'll just give people a couple more minutes to ask some questions if need be. And then we can join them in the breakout room. There's a link to the breakout room in the question answer session part now. So we'll just give people a couple more minutes.
Okay.
Carl, we have actually had some questions come in. So one question is, can you clarify the boot up sequence of the Yealink phones? It's coming from someone who's marked themselves as anonymous.
Sorry, can you repeat the issue again?
Can you clarify the boot up sequence or the startup sequence of Yealink phones?
For this, I need to check, but I think it should work, but I need to double check. I can double check and give you answer after this session. You can just touch me on our Teams channel. I will give answer. Okay.
Okay. Stephen Collier has asked a question. Can we have this hosted in our own environment? How is it secured? And can we use Office 365 login with MFA to secure it?
Okay, it's just like this. For our as I say, for our portal, we have two portal. One is cloud-based, another is the on-premise. But I think for on-premise is hosted by customer by themselves. So for the security, it's up to the customer, the networking security. So I think it's not. Okay, let me show you. Because for the on-premise one is hosted by customer, so you can see they have some port. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 networking port is active, must be to be open. So for the on-premise one, for the security is more related to the customer's server security level. But for the cloud-based one, we have security whiteboard. We have here. Let me check. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. For our cloud-based one, we have a security white paper. So I can share with the Steve about this security white paper, so you will know how we protect customer data and how what about the security level of our cloud-based one portal.
Okay. We have another question from Jan Verboven. Is the portal license included in the phone's purchase? So if you buy the phone, is the license included?
No. Okay, it's like this. The license is different. When you purchase the phone, it don't include the device management platform portal license. You need to order the additional license. But as I say, for our cloud-based portal, is right now is free for customer. We are free to offer one license with up to the 1,000 unit. It's a free 3 year for customer. but use more than 1,000 unit, you need to order a decent license.
Okay. And looks like the last question is from Kevin. What is added value Yealink management software compared to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center?
Okay, this is the good question. It's like this for the Microsoft Device Management Portal. It's more, how do I say? You can manage the Teams account, some kind of the insurance policy. You can make some the easy change, just like the language or firmware update to the Yealink device. But Yealink device portal is only focused on the Yealink hardware, so we can provide more fully more feature, just like remote diagnosis, just like open API, just like monitor for customer to choose. I have I think I have compared this between the Yealink portal and the Microsoft Management Portal. I can share on our Teams channel after this session, so you will be know more detail about the different.
Okay, so I think that's all the questions we have at the moment. So again, I've reposted the link to the breakout session into the Q&A area. So if there is no more questions that have come through, we will see you in the breakout.
Yeah, okay.
Great stuff. Thanks very much, Carl.
Thank you.